ரீட் பண்ணு.
Mala and Varun grow plants. They collect vegetables from the garden. They cut the vegetables. They keep a pan on the stove. They pour water and boil it. Then they add the vegetables. They cook and eat.
Very good. Next paragraph.
Varun goes near the pond. He sees a spider. A butterfly falls in its web. The spider moves very fast to
Catch it. Abhi stop on.
Catch it. Karun runs to help the butterfly. He takes it from the web and saves it. Happy
Flies. Very good. Which paragraph? Passage that talks about vegetables. எந்த paragraph vegetables பத்தி பேசுது? Okay. Thank you.